Hi everyone, Jason from Makera here with another Carvera Air tutorial video, and this one we're talking about how to connect and use the dust collection system with your Carvera Air Desktop CNC. The Carvera Air is equipped and shipped with a dust collection hose and dust shoe, which can be used for dust collection when machining a wide range of different materials. Softer materials like wood, foam, epoxy, and some plastics make a lot of dust during the manufacturing process. And collecting these particles through a dust collection system is important whenever using a subtractive manufacturing or CNC production process like with the Carvera Air. Fortunately, the Carvera Air is an enclosed machine, so the dust is kept within the machining area during manufacturing. But connecting an external vacuum through this piping system will only increase the effectiveness of your dust collection system. And using a vacuum in the dust shoe will also keep your bits cooler and increase your machining performance by pulling any shavings away from the cutting area as well. You will notice that the dust pipe runs from the spindle and up towards the back of the machine to a port on the rear corner of the Carvera Air. Here, you can use this port and generic hose pipe adapters to connect an external vacuum or dust collection system directly to your CNC. And a wide range of vacuums should work well, whether it's a small shop vac or a portable hobby vac or even a large dust collection system. The bigger the vacuum you have, the more suction power you would have, which would work well if you're trying to pull up larger particles and larger shavings from materials like plastic rather than smaller dust particles from woods or epoxies. And for whenever the dust shoe is not needed, such as when using the Air Assist system or when using the laser engraver module instead, it can easily be removed as it's held in place using magnets, and there's also a clip to secure the dust pipe when not in use as well. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and of course stay tuned for more how-tos, guides, and tutorials on our wiki site and channel.